So friends, welcome to a new video, and in front of us we have a typical unboxing, not usually what you would expect on my channel, but I had done an unboxing of washing machine as well, and I will be doing many such typical unboxings that you won't expect from my channel, since am a big fan of unboxing, and I can't live without doing unboxings. So here we have in front of us a gas water heater. Now this I'll be unboxing this in this video, and there's also an electric water heater, which I'll be unboxing next in a separate video. So in this video, let's have a look at this. It's from Surya. It's Surya Magic. It has an ISO certificate. Now this thing costs, actual price was 5,500 rupees. It's a gas water heater or a geyser, whatever you call it. You can see on the top it runs on PNG. So if you are in India, you need an Ardani gas connection or some other connection. If you can also use it on cylinders. It's an automatic instant gas water heater. So first you need to have some gas arrangement. So it's an automatic instant gas water heater. It runs on PNG, has an ISO certificate. And let's have also a look first at the box, and then we'll do the unboxing. It's 70%. It has 70% cheaper operating cost. This has 6 liter capacity. It has, let's look at the features. It has automatic IC ignition system. It has 20-minute built-in timer, flame failure safety device, over water temperature safety device, pressure release valve and drain valve, suitable for low pressure, suitable for multi-point use, with summer or winter switch, with cold or hot conversion switch. On this side you have some models. There are two, HP and LP. It's LP. And on the back side you have the same things given, and on this side you have some specifications like the product name. It's a mini domestic water heater for use with LPG, and the output is 5.5 liters per minute for 25 degrees Celsius rise in temperature, nominal heat input, and blah blah blah. You can pause the video and have a look at this. And if let's have a look at the bottom, you have nothing. Now let's unbox this thing. So let me just mount my camera properly. Okay, so it's fine, I guess. Let me just switch on the light so that you get a clearer view. Okay, all right, so now let's do the unboxing. I'll be using this knife from my survival tool to check its functioning. So let's open the box. I hope you can see this. Let's cut through this tape. Okay, so box has been opened. What are the things you get inside? Let's take this thing out. Okay, so nothing else inside the box. You get a few things inside. Let's have a look at them. This is a warranty. Now this thing comes with 2-year warranty. Yeah, 2-year warranty. And there are two capacity, 10 and 6. This one is 6. Okay, but here it's written only 1-year warranty. So I don't know why that's so, because the shop owner mentioned that it has 2-year warranty. And you also get inside this pouch some kind of instruction manual, operation manual. You need to read this. And you also have a few screws and some things like that, excess other stuff that you may need during installation. Let's keep this aside and let's remove the packaging. So this is the product. Let's remove this plastic as well. So here's the product. It's Surya Magic branding over here. I hope that's visible. 6 liter ODS. Don't know what this that. And it's platinum written over on this side over here. And you have winter or summer switch, low. Here's the gas volume switch, low or max, an LED over here. And this is a water volume switch, maximum and low. On the top you have something, no idea what's that. On this side you have important instructions and operating instructions mentioned for your safety. Nothing on the back side, but this is how it looks. And here again you have the instruction specifications and other stuff. It has a ISI mark and some other things mentioned. You can pause the video and have a look. So this was the unboxing, guys, of this Surya. And at the bottom you have hot or cool switch and a gas input, a water output and a water input, and something else here as well, on and off switch. So that was the unboxing of this product, Surya Magic. So I hope you get an idea of what you get when you purchase this product. So I hope you would find this useful. So thank you guys for watching this video and have a nice day.